Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are gonna create a tracker bullet journal. In this theme, I'm gonna do a tracker for going outside, appreciating the outdoors. I work from home. Going outside is not my priority, but the weather here in California is getting very nice, so I want to take a moment to just go outside, go for a walk, even if it's just a small walk in the park or just on the beach. I live close to the beach, so for me, going to the beach is not that exciting as for most people. So first I have this big tracker. I was making a vintage junk journal, so my hands are still a little bit dirty from the previous project. First, I'm gonna pick it up with a clear block because I like to see through, and then I'm going to use black for this. And here goes the most important part. I need to align these lines about with the dots to make sure everything is straight. Might hold it down. Alright, that looks good. If you feel like there's some areas that's missing, grab a thin black marker and just slide it over to cover whatever is missing. Okay, I'm very happy with this. It looks pretty straight to me. I'm gonna do some cool linings with this very small washi flowers. The month is March, so I'm going to put a little Mar over here with black. I'm going to decorate it with this really pretty sticker sheet. I'm just going to put a couple of flowers here and there. I really like this long one. Right here. I see this bird and I'm thinking of putting him right here. How cute is that? Like he's sitting on it. And we can even put some flowers over out by March. And another flower. I see there is a sentiment which I'm putting right here, and another flower next to the sentiment, so it kind of looks all matching. We'll get a couple more here. I don't know if I want to put these anywhere. Like that. All right, then I have this very small floral washi tape that you cannot really tell the design because it's so small, but I'm gonna put this right here until there. Actually, don't like this. I'm gonna put the days over here, so we'll just do weekdays. Tuesday. Make sure it's very straight because I'm very picky when something stands out. Wednesday, and the last one, Friday. Okay, whew. Very tiny. Picking these up very gently, and black. Very gently put it down. Make sure everything is nicely stamped. Doing it freehand is always a little risky. I also have this green washi that I like. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a line. I'm gonna do two lines. One is gonna end here, and the other one is gonna be the same length, but it's gonna start a little bit after and ending around the same length as that one started. Alright, so my going outdoors appreciation tracker is finished. It's very simple. We just use a couple of stamps and washies, stickers, but I like it simple. It's very clean. Let's see what I'm gonna do with the tracker. Since everything is pretty much green, I'm gonna take a green pen. So it's gonna be, oh, black one first. Week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's for 7 weeks. The first week, Monday, is complete. Tuesday is complete. And then tomorrow is Wednesday. Here's the finished result of my tracker. I'm very happy with it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty, it's not too bright, and it's very clean and organized. Alright, let me know if you want to see more tracker videos and what themed. Have a wonderful day.